Greetings, this is Edward Ojambo. Ojambo.com has a new article about CSS elastic layouts. The link is www.ojambo.com/css-elastic-layout. As usual, the entire tutorial and source code are available at ojambo.com. You can just click to view it. Basically, we'll be just creating a layout using the EM, which is a unit of measure for typography, and we use it to size the website. If you ever need help with computer programming help, or you need web or mobile applications, please visit ojamboservices.com. That's ojamboservices.com in Toronto, Ontario area. Okay, let's begin. So I'll create a new HTML5 template file. Call it css-elastic-layout.html. And I'll just remove the default one. I'll change this one to CSS elastic layout is fine. Delete all this template. As you can see, it's already basically a mixture of elastic layouts. You don't need any JavaScript, and I'll just delete that right there. So I actually use this as a template, so let's begin. So usually you just create a container. It's basically a page wrap for all our code. I'll just resize the font so you guys can see a little bit better. Create an ID, unique identifier, and inside it I'll create the first one will be the header, which is usually on the top, and then inside the header, just for demonstration purposes or for the tutorial, I'll just create a paragraph called header. Then for the content, I'll create one. This is the middle part. So another paragraph, just say main content. And usually you might have a sidebar, so I'll create another one, sidebar. And this paragraph said sidebar. And of course, right at the bottom, we have our footer. And once again, I'll create a paragraph, just the text footer. Now we're done. I can save this as CSS elastic-layout.html. And then to preview it in the browser, as you can see, this is what it looks like. No styling, nothing. So let's put some actual tutorial now, the CSS part. So first we'll create styles for the body. In this case, we will use font size of 1 EM. That's basically equal to the font of whatever browser you're using, whatever your default font size. Usually it's 16 pixels. And then what we'll do is create a maximum width for our container. Then for the content, we'll float it to the left. I'll make it about 33%. It's okay for large screens. And then we'll create a sidebar, and we'll float it to the left as well, and we'll give it a width of 33%. Now the problem with this is it's going to look about 50-50%. I think we'll change it later. In the footer, we'll just clear the floats and change the container content to 67%. Now we'll save, and you can see now when you resize the window, it automatically, the content behaves and changes depending on the width. So that's the elastic layout. The tutorial can be found at ojambo.com. I hope you find this information useful. Please visit and leave feedback.